Hi everybody, Steve from ADU Software. Just a short video on the overview of ADU database version 14.2016. The screen you're looking at the moment is the main menu, and we're going to use jet aircraft as an example, but what we show you in here will also reflect all the other sections belonging to bizjet, general aviation, military, prop aircraft and Russian aircraft. In the second video we'll be concentrating on the log program, but for this video we're going to select the jet aircraft section. Any of the blue text boxes are filtering functions built in the program. The program has been designed to eliminate as much typing as possible, apart from when you're looking for a registration, construction number, line number, fleet number and a name, say. Click on the registration /code and type in EI-DWA as an example. Once you press the enter key or the OK with the mouse, it will reveal the details on this Ryanair 737. You click on Ryanair, it now brings into play 428. If I was to click 737NG, it now brings in 6,643. If it was to highlight, say, 75C as a series, it brings in 18. Going back to / registration code and clicking it again and typing in G- Lima Sierra Alpha Juliet, this now brings into play a 757 belonging to Jet 2. Same applies again. Highlight Jet 2 and click it. It now brings in 86 aircraft of Jet 2. Same again, if you click on 757, brings in 1050. Other functions are construction number, an example 1471 will bring into play 2 aeroplanes with this construction number. Line number 1458 as an example brings into play 6 aircraft. Name, use say Freddie Mercury, press OK. Now brings into play Norwegian Air UK, Golf Charlie Kilo November Alpha with all its information, advising me that the aircraft is required. As you can see, the dates and the first flight dates, if we click on say the 16th of August, it reveals the information that it was a Wednesday. Press OK. It now brings in another 3 aeroplanes what were delivered that day as well. Same goes for the 26th of July. If we were to click on that, it tells us that was a Wednesday, the 26th. Press OK. And it now brings into play 6 aircraft which first flew on this day. Wildcard search are handled by clicking registration /code and simply type in say EI-DW, keeping the last letter off. Press the enter key brings in the first one as EIDWA, and using your navigation arrow then reveals Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo, Foxtrot, and so on and so on. If we highlight Delta Whiskey Hotel, reveals all the information on that aircraft, advising me that details are available here, and by clicking that we can see that the 21st of May 2009 EI-DWH was seen in Palma. Some customers in the past have emailed and rang up to say, how do they eliminate OTT references from their database and lock it down to an airport sighting? So let's pick an aircraft which I know I've seen multiple times. So G-Lima Sierra Alpha Juliet. Okay, I've seen that 5 times with different registrations. The frame is BRJJ, and the last time I saw it was Lima Sierra Alpha Juliet operating for Jet 2. Also revealing I've seen it 11 times. On the 1st of the 1st 2011, you can see here that the first sighting was at Manchester. So I'm deliberately going to change this to OTT. Click on this button, return to main details. That will now take my first sighting of this registration as over the top. Some people use different abbreviations for this, flyovers and so on, but in this example we're using over the top as the airport reference. Go back into your main scene your log scene details. This time I'm going to highlight it, and now I'm going to delete it from the log. Press OK and press yes. So the 1st of the 1st 2011 sighting has now been removed from the log, so it now makes it the 9th of the 1st 2011 at Manchester as my first time I've seen this aeroplane on this registration. Once I return to main details, and as you can see, the 9th of the 1st 2011 has been updated with my sighting saying I've seen it at Manchester. Clicking on registration /code again, and this time type in Victor Papa Dash Bravo KQ, press OK. Now brings into play an A321 construction number 7801 belonging to Aeroflot Russian Airlines. Highlight Aeroflot Russian Airlines. It now tells me I've got 205 aircraft filtered out. On the top tab key here you can see different references. I'm going to choose airline operator details you require by frame. Once I highlight that and click it, it now tells me I need 95 frames belonging to Aeroflot Russian Airlines. In the status field you can see the letter O, meaning on order, and the letter A. Highlight one of the aircraft belonging to the A section. Click on the filtering option, select status. It's now took this down to 68 aircraft. We also have an option here, airline operator details you require by frame and registrations. You click on that next screen will reveal that from Aeroflot Russian Airlines I require 104 frames and registrations. 68 frames, 104 aircraft with registrations and frames. November 380 Bravo Charlie has a black arrow next to it. Click on that, it will take you to the aircraft in question. Clicking on details available brings into play PP-Victor Quebec Foxtrot of Varig, seen on the 27th of May 2000 at London Heathrow. Quite right, saying I still need it as a registration belonging to Aeroflot, November 380 Bravo Charlie. So this is just a taste of what this program can do. There's so much more to this system, and like we said before, we're going to concentrate on the second video on the log program. So thank you for watching.